Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to deal with text data as a tokenization for the sentence tokenization, word tokenization, and punctuation tokenization. I'm giving you basic example of tokenization with the help of NLTK library. So let's start as demonstration. First of all, open your Anaconda Navigator. You can deal with Sublime Editor, Atom Editor, or whatever you want as a suitable editor. So I'm using as a Jupyter notebook where I store the data. I make one folder, this code, and then I execute here. I store the data here. Like I'm giving you, I am giving the name of Tokenizer. Enter. So first of all, need to install NLTK library. So NLTK I have already installed, but you can use this process and install NLTK library. And then here from define a NLTK here from import. Here I'm importing right now first sentence. So this code is complete, so I execute. So check some error are available. So right now no errors are here. Next process are comes here, define, and I define. You can apply here as a CSV file, text file, or JSON file, but I type here as a text. Copy this text. Do you know how to tokenize works? It's actually quite interesting, and let's analyze couple of sentence and figure out. So execute this sentence, this line, this syntax is proper or not. So this syntax is proper. You can apply this same process. So now time to deal with sentence tokenize. So I define here sentence tokenizer, and then I print here colon, enter, again printf function here. So right now I define here sentence tokenize. First I deal with sentence tokenize. Apply this sentence tokenize is input text because of this is my input text, means my input data. So I apply this paragraph as a sentence tokenize and then execute. This code is proper, run or not, it's absolutely proper. Look at this sentence tokenization means do you know how to works tokenize? Do you know how tokenize works? This is one sentence. It's actually interesting. This is second sentence. Let's analyze couple of sentence and figure out. This is third sentence. So more or less this paragraph defined to three sentence. So right now deal to word tokenize. It's very simple and quite interesting. Word tokenizer, and then I type here print word tokenizer colon, and then again enter printf function. So next target is a word tokenization. I apply here word tokenization and this input underscore text data and execute. This code is run proper or not. So look at this. This is a word tokenization means do is one word, you is one word. This is word level tokenization. Each word as a store as a tokenization format, and tokenization are defined single quote, opening closing single quote, and in between this particular word. So last point are word punctuation tokenization. So last point is word tokenizer print /n word punctuation tokenizer single quote colon, and then enter, again print closing bracket. And now time to word tokenization. Use the functions and dot format method you can apply here. Dot tokenize input data, input text, and then execute. So look at this word punctuation tokenization means do you know how tokenize works? So this question marks is display other tokenize, define other tokenization, it's, and comma apostrophe also define other token, like that way exclamatory marks also. This is a punctuation. You use the as a NLP and word punctuation tokenization. So this is a simple method to apply how to separate as a punctuation in this particular JSON, text, CSV, any kind of text data. You apply this only this line and find out how many punctuations are available in your text data with the help of word punctuation dot tokenize, and this is your input data. It's very simple. In this small sentence tokenize, word tokenize, and word punctuation tokenization, it's very basic natural language processing program. You can use this method and sentence and deal as a basic level programming. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.